Hello and welcome back to my little corner of the interweb. I'm Clafmatic and I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of those pesky little phase clicks inside a machine. Now, if you're new to producing or you don't know what phase clicks are, those are the little pops and clicks you hear at the beginning or end of your sample, kind of like this. Annoying? Yes, I know. You can't get rid of them by putting a snare or a hi-hat over them. There is only one way to get rid of them. You have to make sure your samples, the sine wave, starts at that line you see in the middle here. There's the sine wave. It kind of goes like this. It dives, duck, dodges.
Remember the 5 D's of dodgeball. Dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge.
At that line you see in the middle here, there's the sine wave. It kind of goes like this. It dives, duck, dodges below the line and above. Well, it has to be zeroed out. Let's call that the equator. And all you have to do is come down here to the little wave tab, the edit tab in the corner, highlight like so. And if you're using mouse and keyboard, click fade in. And if you're using the MK3 like I, just press apply until there's no more click. That bottlenecking. So I'm going to fade even more and move over just to double check. Apply. Phase click gone. Once again, for all you non-believers, you hear that. Do the same thing. Fade in. Bam. Once again, third time's the charm for all you non-believers out there, like so. Click gone. If that was too much fading for you, just undo. And voila. Now, if you found this video informative, helpful at all, please leave a like, comment down below. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. The goal is 1,000 and beyond so I can start monetizing. But until then, baby steps. Little ASMR action for you. But yes, once again, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I'm at like 26, 27-ish right now. Just trying to grow this thing day by day, video by video, subscriber by subscriber. A little corny, yes, I know, but it's what's got to be done. Once again, I'm Clafmatic. Follow me, Instagram, SoundCloud, Spotify, whatever, all that good YouTube jazz. Until next time, ciao. Yes, once again.